Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the new data updated you today is that Kaizer Chiefs plan to buy Fiston Mayele. According to the recent reports, Kaizer Chiefs are planning to sell some players to fund a potential move to Congolese striker Fiston Mayele. Fiston Mayele, who plays for Egypt's side, has played for Pyramid FC, has coached the attention of several clubs with his impressive performance in the CAF Champions League, scoring 8 goals in 11 matches. To sign Fiston Mayele, Kaizer Chiefs might need to sell players like Kosimpile Ngcobo and Gaston Sireno. The team management is working on securing deal with Pyramid FC, potentially willing to sell Fiston Mayele for between 12 million and 15 million. Mayele contract expired in June 2026, and Pyramid FC has offered him a contract extension until 2028. However, Kaizer Chiefs are near on signing him, and deal might be finalized soon. The potential signing of Fiston Mayele would strengthen Kaizer Chiefs squad with a proven goal scorer. Fiston Mayele's skills and experience will be a valuable addition to the team, and the fans again are awaiting the outcome of the potential transfer. If it's successful, this move could significantly impacts the team performance in the upcoming season. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.